Hey guys, this is an unboxing of OnePlus 5. The company seems to have done a fine job once again with its new flagship, giving you the best specs in the market at an affordable price. So let's start the unboxing. OnePlus 5 comes with a 5.5-inch optic AMOLED display, with 1080p resolution, and sRGB and DCI-P3 color space support. The display is protected by a 2.5D Corning Gorilla Glass 5. And it has 6GB RAM and 128GB internal storage. In partnership with DxO Labs, OnePlus has developed a flagship-grade dual-camera setup for the OnePlus 5. This consists of two cameras, a 16MP IMX398 sensor with 1.7 aperture, and another 20